Hello and good morning everyone. I am a leader in this group. First of all, I'm going to introduce our group. My name is Kenny Anak Empawi. My student ID is 2025-695478. My core program is BA1191B and I'm from group 2.
My name is Kristi Anisia Anagani. My student ID is 2025X63722. My code program is BA1191B and my team is Team 2.
My name is Atika Binti Afendi. This is my student ID 20251823N. I'm from code program BA1191B and I'm from group 2.
My name is Deborah Maria Anak Antun and this is my student ID 2025867042 and my code program is BA1191B and I'm from group 2.
MAT112 Group 2 Set A.
Mr. Razif invested 35,000 ringgit in platform A and 15,000 ringgit in platform B for a duration of 10 years and 8 years respectively. Platform A offered an interest rate of 4.23% compounded annually and platform B offered 2.03% compounded quarterly. A. Calculate the total amount accumulated from both investments. D. After 60 months, the interest rate changed to 3.25% compounded quarterly from platform A and 2.1% compounded B annually from platform B. B1. Find the total amount accumulated from both investment at the end of the investment period. B2. Find the total interest earned from both banks. Question 1A. Calculate the total amount accumulated from both investment. For question 1A, we are going to use compound formula which is S equal to P bracket 1 plus K over M bracket MD. So, we are going to calculate from platform A first, which is P equal to 35,000 ringgit, K equal to 0.0423 over M equal to 1, bracket M equal to 1 and T equal to 10. The answer is 52,965 ringgit and 79 cents. For platform B, P is equal to 50,000 ringgit, bracket 1 plus K equal to 0.0203 and M equal to 4 bracket 4 times 8. The answer is 70,637 ringgit and 71 cents. The question asks for the total amount accumulated, so we are going to sum up these two, which is 52,965 ringgit 79 cents plus 17,637 ringgit 71 cents. The total amount accumulated is 70,603 ringgit and 50 cents.
Question B. 1 Romans. Find the total amount accumulated from both investment at the end of the investment period. Platform A. We need to find S. P is 35,000, K is 0.0325, M is 4 and T is 5. And the first 5 year is platform A offer an interest rate 4.23% compounded annually. So S equal to 35,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.0423 and the N for first 5 year is 5. So calculate it together. So the answer is RM 43,055 ringgit 81 cent. The formula is S equal to P in bracket 1 plus I in bracket 8. S equal to 43,055 80 cents in bracket 1 plus 0.0325 divided by 4. And the N for next 5 year is 20. Calculate it together. So the answer for S is RM 50,619 ringgit 69 cent. Platform B, we need to find S. P is 15,000, K is 0.021, M is 2, T is 3. For the first 5 year, platform B offer an interest rate 2.03 compounded quarterly. We need to find S for first 5 year first. 15,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.0203 divided by 4 and the N for first 5 year is 20. Calculate it together and the answer is RM 16,598 ringgit 19 cent. So the formula is S equal to P in bracket 1 plus I and S equal to 16,598 ringgit 19 cent in bracket 1 plus 0.021 divided by 2 and the N for next 5 year is 6. Calculate it together and the answer is 17,671 ringgit 71. So the total final amount for S is 50,619 ringgit 69 cent plus 70,671 ringgit and 71 cent. So the final answer for S is RM 68,291 ringgit 40 cent.
Question B2. Find the total interest earned from both banks. The last question for question 1 is on B2. We are going to use formula I equal to S minus P. First, we are going to sum up platform A and platform B, which is 35,000 ringgit plus 15,000 ringgit. The answer is 50,000 ringgit. Then, using the formula I equal to S minus P, which is S equal to 68,291 ringgit 40 cent minus P, which is 50,000 ringgit. The final answer is 18,291 ringgit and 40 cent.
Question 2. 18 months ago, Jeremy began depositing RM288 of each month into Bank Umay, which pays 5.4% interest compounded monthly. Today, just after making his last deposit, he plans to withdraw all the money to contribute toward the 10% down payment on a new car costing RM85,000. For part A, he saves 200 ringgit every month for 18 months. The bank gives 5.4% interest a year. I used the annuity formula to calculate the total amount including interest. After putting all the values inside the formula, the total amount he can withdraw is 3,741 ringgit and 6 cents. For part B, I used the interest formula I equal S minus NR, where S is the total amount and R is the total contribution. So S equal 3,741 ringgit and 6 cents, and R 18 times 200 equal 3,600 ringgit. Then I subtract 3,741 ringgit and 6 cents minus 3,600 ringgit equals 141 ringgit and 6 cents. So the interest earned is 141 ringgit and 6 cents. Next, for part C1, the car price is 85,000 ringgit. He pays a 10% deposit first. 10% of 85,000 is 8,500 ringgit. So the amount left after paying the deposit is 85,000 ringgit minus 8,500 ringgit equals 76,500 ringgit. I need to find the monthly installment. The loan amount is 76,500 ringgit. The interest rate is 3.4% per year and the loan period is 9 years. Then I use the loan formula to find the monthly payment. After substituting the values, the monthly installment is 823 ringgit and 22 cents. So he must pay 823 ringgit and 22 cents every month for 9 years.
Question 2C to Romans. Calculate the amount of interest charged for this car loan. Question 2C to Romans. The formula is I equal to S minus NR. I equal to S 76,500 minus N is in bracket 108, R is in bracket 823 ringgit and 22 cents. So the answer amount of interest charged for this car loan is 12,407 ringgit and 76 cents.
For equation 2, which is C Romans 3, if Jeremy fails to make the first 4 monthly payments, calculate how much he should pay on the 5th payment to settle all the outstanding areas. Hence, determine the interest charge on delayed payment. For this question, we need to find future value, and we need to use the formula S equal to R bracket 1 plus K over M bracket the power of MT minus 1 over K over M and the big bracket at the end of the formula. S is the future value, so we need to find the S, and then we have R, which is RM add to 3.22 cents. For the K, 0.034 M12, and the N is 60. We just put the number on the formula and our answer is 4,139 ringgit 49 cents. For question IV, immediately after making payments for 5 years, Jeremy wishes to settle the loan in full. Determine the amount that he needs to pay. For the last question, we need to use the formula A equal to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus K over M bracket the power of negative N over K over M and the bigger bracket at the end of our formula. We just put our numbers into the formula and calculate it by using a calculator. Our answer will get 36,896 ringgit 58 cents. For the N, we use 48 months because 108 months minus 60 months and we will get 48 months.